Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2021 BMW X3. Follow me as I show you how. You're going to need a replacement air filter, which the part number for this one on a CarQuest is 97024. Start by giving yourself some more room. And it should be up under here. Let's check it out. Something that I used to make it a little easier and more comfortable to work on this is a few storage totes standing up on end, and I lie down across them. First, we're going to turn this thumb screw so it drops down. Then on the other side, there's another thumb screw. This slides forward. Remove this plug and unclip it to give yourself a little bit more room. Now we need to remove that screw and that one. What you're going to need is a Torx bit, size T20. You can either use a ratchet, as I am here, or a screwdriver. After you've removed the screw, put it somewhere safe to keep, such as a cup holder. Now we're going to get to work on the other screw on the other side. Once you've removed the screws, there are a couple tabs at the top that you're going to release, and that'll allow the door to drop out of the way. And this will come right out. When you remove the filter, you should expect some debris to fall out. It's a good idea to vacuum that up. Now notice there's a curve on this, so this filter is not going to fit in straight. You're going to have to bend it. Realign everything and snap it back into place, and then reinstall the screws. If you need to reset the indicator on the dashboard that tells you to change the filter, you should check out my video on the oil changing.
and put the vehicle into diagnostic mode, where you will be able to reset that indicator. Reinstall the plastic kick plate, and be sure to put the wire back to the light so that the light works again. There are 2 push-in connections for that wire, so it's held carefully. Reinstall the turn screws, and you've just changed the cabin air filter. Have a great day. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting. Have a great day.